Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is x raised to power 4 plus 1 over x raised to power 4 equals 194. You have to find the value of x plus 1 over x. So we will solve this question as, first of all, we will write x raised to power 4 as x square and square, plus 1 over x raised to power 4 can be write as x square and square. And this one can be write as 1 square equals 194. Now we will write this as x square square plus 1 by x square whole square equals 194. Now in the next step, we will apply the formula of a square plus b square, that equals a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So we will apply this formula, that a square minus b square minus 2ab. So on this it will become, this is a and this is b, so x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2 into a is x square and b is 1 by x square, and this equals 194. Now this will become x square plus 1 by x square whole square, and this x square is cancelled out by this and we have only minus 2, that equals 196. Now in the next step, we will write this as, this equals x square plus 1 by x square whole square equals 194, and plus 2, this will be added. So 194 plus 2, it will become equals 196. So we have x square plus 1 by x square whole square equals 196. Now we will take the square root on both sides and solve this further. So by taking square root on both sides, x square plus 1 by x square whole square equals plus minus root of 196. Now 196 is the root of 14. So we get x square plus 1 by x square, this square is cancelled out by this square root, plus minus 14 square. So this square is also cancelled out. So we have two possibilities. X square plus 1 by x square equals plus 14, and x square plus 1 by x square equals minus 14. So x square is positive greater than 0. It means this is positive and this is negative. So it will reject it. So we will solve only this one, x square plus 1 by x square equals 14. Now again we will apply the formula here, that is a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. So according to this formula we will solve this. So this will equals x plus 1 over x square and minus 2 into x into 1 by x, that equals 14. Now this x and x are cancelled out. So this minus 2 will be added and we will get 16. So x plus 1 over x whole square equals 14 plus 2, that equals 16. So we get x plus 1 over x whole square equals 16. Now we will take square root on both sides. So we get plus minus root 16. So x plus 1 over x equals plus minus 4. So there are two possibilities. X plus 1 over x equals 4 or x plus 1 over x equals minus 4. So this is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.